Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a head in profile. We are starting with a circle. We divide the circle. The line doesn't go in the middle, but a bit lower. Now we add guidelines for the nose and jawline. It's already looking more like a face. Then add an oval for the ear and a line above and below your guideline for the eyes. I usually take a soft eraser now, so that you can only see the sketch lightly. Now we draw the face according to our sketch. We start at the forehead. You can draw the nose and mouth whatever you like. Whether it's a hook nose, a bottom nose or a long nose, anything goes. For the ear, draw a small C. Don't forget the neck. 2 strokes down. Now it's getting wild. Give your head a cool hairstyle. Whether it's a punk mohawk, shaggy mane or a Prince William hairstyle. Anything is possible. Have fun with it. I have opted for a bald head. A hair tutorial is coming soon. And if your head ends up looking like a broken potato, don't worry. Picasso had bad days too. I hope you had as much fun as I did and maybe even learned something. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell so you don't miss any more art adventure. Thanks for watching, stay creative and see you next time. Bye bye!